Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about drop shipping, especially Amazon drop shipping. What is drop shipping and how does it works? Drop shipping is a fulfillment model that allows entrepreneurs to outsource handling and shipping products to a third party. Find out how drop shipping works. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment option that allows e-commerce businesses to outsource procuring, storing, and shipping products to a third party, typically a supplier. And what is dropshipping business model? In a dropshipping business model, you promote products and provide an online storefront. When a customer places an order, you send the order to the dropshipper and inform customers the product are on the way. The rest of the physical fulfillment process is out of your hands. In some dropshipping agreements, you may also handle customer service while the dropshipping service manages the physical goods and fulfillment. How does dropshipping work? The exact logistics of dropshipping depend on your agreement, but typically the dropshipping process follow this general sequence. Seller signs agreement with dropshipper, customer orders online, seller receive orders, customer receive an order confirmation, seller forward the order to dropshipper, dropshipper ships the order, customer receives their product. Key players in the dropshipping model. Let's unpack some of the key players and their roles in detail, starting with the seller of record, in other words, your e-commerce business. Seller of record. The dropshipping process starts with you as the seller of record. You are the individual identified as selling the product to the end consumer. You set the price, record the purchase as revenue, and assume responsibility for the sales tax on a particular sale. Even when a third party stocks and ships the items, you are the seller of record because you own the product before they ship to the customer. Manufacturer. Manufacturers make products to sell the whole sellers and retailers. You can purchase goods from manufacturers, but the bulk purchase amounts they may require can potentially be a barrier to starting or scaling your business. Some manufacturers may offer drop shipping services. Wholesalers. In a typical product supply chain, wholesalers buy from manufacturers and sell to retailers at a slight markup. They function as a middleman. Generally, they do not sell to the end consumer but may provide dropshipping services to retailers. Potential and pros and cons of dropshipping. In e-commerce, as in life, there are advantages and disadvantages to any fulfillment approach. Whether the gains are worthy depend largely